What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and shut down your computer without using your mouse. So this video is going to go and help you out that how you can go and shut down your mouse. So what happens is people were like, how do you shut down your computer without even touching your mouse? So in this video I'm going to go and teach you how I do that, so you can know that one as well. So this is my desktop, and if I go back, this is the screen which I use, and if I go down and if I click on Alt and click on F4, so it is going to go and shut down my monitor. So if I go and press Alt and F4, so you can see that yes, it does. So it turn off my Chrome browser, and if I click on Alt and if I click on F4, so it is going to go and prompt me, do you want to shut down your computer? So I'm going to go and use this shortcut keys, and if I click on enter, it is going to go and shut down my computer, and that's about it. So as you can see, it is shutting down my computer, and that's how you just use Alt F4 for toggling it up for restarting and shutdown. And if you want to go and hit on enter, you can just go and click on hit on enter, and there you go, your computer is going to be shut down. And that's about it for this video. If you have anything which you need to go and learn from me, to comment it down below and I will help you out with that. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.